So you just bought a new computer, now what? There's a lot more involved in setting up a computer for the first time, which is not simply plugging in a cable and hitting the power button. If you've never tried to set up a computer, we are here to help you get up and running in no time. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video, we are going to configure or set up our Acer Nitro N50 pre-built PC. This PC came with a Windows operating system, specifically Windows 11 Home Edition. FYI, to avoid a long boring video, we've decided to divide this video, and this is the second part to the series. The links will be included in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you've finished checking and making sure the hardware on your PC are all in place, the next part of the process is easy. Simply plug the PC into an electrical socket with included AC adapter and turn on. First, you'll be prompted to select your region or country. I like to select the United States because sometimes you can install or uninstall other things, for example, install apps like Alexa and even change from S mode to normal mode, especially if your system comes with Windows S mode. But go ahead and select whichever region you live in. Select your keyboard layout or input method. I'm going to be using the US layout, so I click yes, and for the second layout I just like to skip right over this, but if you want to add a second keyboard layout, select add layout. If not, just select skip. Select a network you want to connect to. Now here's a step that you might want to focus on. If you want, select, and once connected, click next. Your PC checks for updates and will probably restart. Just wait. Some people do not like to connect to any network before they complete the computer setup, mostly because they don't like Windows to load up all their OneDrive and all these extra internet features that they don't necessarily want. One more important thing here. If you're using a wireless network, you might want to ensure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi with the strongest signal to avoid potential issues with system settings and update failures that may occur with a weak signal connection. I recommend connect through wire the very first time. Now enter your preferred device name, then click next. Your PC checks for updates and will probably restart. Just wait. Enter your Microsoft account, then click next. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you're able to create a new one. Just click create one. Enter your Microsoft account password, then click sign in. Create a Windows Hello PIN to give you fast and secure sign in, then click OK. You might be prompted to restore your apps from an older PC setting if you have one. If not, just go to the next step. Choose the privacy settings you agree to let Microsoft access, then click next and click accept. You'll be prompted to customize your experience. Here, you're able to choose a way you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations with Microsoft experiences. You might want to choose what you use most, but if not, just skip. Next, you are prompted to access Windows 365. If you so desire, then you choose a plan which you have to pay every certain period of time. Accept if you so desire, but if not, just skip. I'm going to skip. Protect your device allows you to register with Acer, in this case, to enjoy valued customer or security service. Check the boxes if you agree to provide your information, then click next. After basic settings are completed, Windows 11 will start to install applications and preferred settings. Just make sure the computer have enough battery power during the process. It will enter Windows 11 desktop after all setting procedures are completed. On the desktop, the first thing you might want to do is go to Settings and start the Windows updates from there. all the security framework chips, drivers are all going to automatically update through Windows. You might get some outdated graphic drivers get it updated, but we can go ahead and manually reinstall them later. I like to install these updates before I do anything else on the computer. Leave the PC to update. Now you might want to change background if you so desire. You can choose a picture for your desktop background or change the color for Start, the taskbar, and other items. To do that, just select Start, Settings, Personalizations, or just click directly on the screen. The preview window gives you a sneak peek of your changes as you make them. In background, you can select a picture or solid color or create a slideshow of pictures. While updates is going on in the background, I personally prefer to go and uninstall all the junk, remove apps like Microsoft Solitaire and some of the other weird stuff that Microsoft like to put in its PCs. After that's all done, your PC asks you to restart, which is completely fine for the update process. As you can see, this is a very simple process which most people might just be too scared to do by themselves, especially if the new laptop came with Windows 11 pre-installed. You might be uncomfortable with its new start menu and taskbar design, but you'll quickly get used to it. For those who are only interested in the OS setup, that's it for now. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the Acer Nitro 50. If you're interested in knowing more about this PC, you can click on the link below or click on end screen to access the next part of this video. I appreciate your time here. If you have any tips or programs you might want to recommend, or if you already have some experiences you might want to share, go ahead and drop them down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.